Hey friends, if you wish to install Microsoft Print to PDF printer on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So this is not a printer actually. Whenever you select the option to print, it creates a PDF. I'll show you how. Click on File, select Print, and then select the printer here. And you will find something called as Microsoft Print to PDF in these options. But I don't have it right now because this option is not installed on my system. So I'll search for Windows features and click on turn Windows features on or off, and then I'll select the option I'll check the option next to Microsoft Print to PDF and I'll click on OK, and it will need a few seconds to apply the changes and install the feature. Now I'll click on File, I'll select Print, I'll select the printer at Microsoft Print to PDF, and then if I click on Print, it will ask me for a location to save the document. I'll save it, let's say here, and I'll name it anything that I want to, and I'll click on Save, and a PDF will be created here. So I can double click and open the PDF. Okay, I'll open it on Edge. See, this is how it works. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.